Well, it can be kind of problematic to only be able to use post and get requests, because what if we need to do a put request or a patch request or a delete request? We wouldn't be able to do these from our form. And in addition, I told you this form is going to the wrong location, so I could definitely add a correct location by saying action, go to my API at http://localhost, and it's running on port 5000. And now if I save this and I put test and data here and I hit submit, now I get an error. And that's because this is sending it across as form data, but my API is expecting it to come across as JSON. And our form is not in valid JSON format. So what we need to do is we need to be able to take this form and process it using JavaScript. But if you noticed, I tried to use JavaScript right here in this onClick request, and it keeps getting denied. And it just keeps skipping straight past the JavaScript. It console.logs it, but then it goes to a new page, and so my JavaScript doesn't have a chance to really run. So if we want to fix this, then we need to change some stuff here on this form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get rid of all of that right there. And I'm going to go back. And here what I'm going to do is I am going to say on submit. And this calls a JavaScript function when the form submits. And I'm going to call my function stop form submit. Now in my script tag, I need to write that function. So I'll say function stop form submit. And I'm going to receive the event of the form submitting. And I'm going to say e.prevent default. So now if I save this and I say test user and I hit submit, my hello world stays. And why? Because we didn't navigate between pages. Because this e.prevent default said rather than just having the form default and do its submission to the server, we can go ahead and stop that. Now that we've stopped it, we can do whatever we want with our JavaScript.